Ready to go?
Am I ready to go?
Yeah.
Bro, I stay filming.
1 fish, 2 fish, 3 fish, 4.
Bars.
Check us out while we build this S4. Comment and subscribe if you'd like to see more.
Oh my God. All right, that's it for this video. I'm gonna turn this off.
Yeah. What's up, everyone? We're here today with another episode of Eurofed Builds. We're back here at Eurofed Automotive to showcase more of our S4 Avant swap that we got going on. We have a first startup, a little bit more information about the wiring that we've been having to deal with, and just an overall status of the project. So stick around on today's episode. We've got a lot to go over, but before we start the episode, all of our merch is restocked online, including the new hoodies. So go to eurofedautomotive.com, shop our new hoodies for the cold season. It's a perfect gift for anyone for Christmas or any holiday that you celebrate. And we got a lot more good content coming, so make sure you follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Hit that like, subscribe, and let's dive in today. You can, believe us that it's running and driving. Alright guys, so we're now inside the shop, and behind me is the B8 Audi A4 Avant that now has the S4 platform and drivetrain. Currently the car is actually 100% mechanically sound. The motor is in, drivetrain is, brakes work, suspension's in, everything basically but the exhaust for the running and driving components. So we've actually taken this out on a test drive. Runs and drives actually very nicely. It almost drives like it should, straight off the factory floor, which is exactly what we wanted to provide for our client. So great job to Randy and the team here at Eurofed Automotive. Couldn't have done it without them. So a lot of times when people build cars, the most common issue you hear anyone say is wiring, and that's currently the last step that we're going through. So the dash is in, and it's the S4 dash out of the donor car. We got the airbag working and the S4 steering wheel in there, so it's almost a full S4 interior. All the windows work, all the locks work, and now we're currently only really working on the sunroof and a little bit of the small lights here or there. One of the biggest issues that we were facing with is actually this car had incandescent bulbs, and we were burning them out, swapping over to wiring and relays that were running on LEDs from the donor harness. Now everything should work after 4 sets of taillights, and I know Randy is very upset about that, but it's trial and error. There's not that many cars that have done this before, and not that many shops that have done this before, so we're kind of learning as we go, and hopefully this helps some of y'all out there that are looking to do this at home. All right, we'll go to the back. So behind me is the problem that we've been dealing with for the last couple of days, but we're in the home stretch now. Basically, you're taking 2 different harnesses from 2 different cars and 2 different bodies and 2 different motors and just meshing them together. These are actually all of Randy's notes that just go through all the different wiring diagrams, kind of going through what each cable does, what each signal gets from each cable and where it's sending it to, and you kind of have to get them back together, but all in all, after all those man hours, we do have taillights that work. These are out of an all-road now. All these work, and they light up when you're supposed to brake. The Euro lights work, which is, your fog lights in the rear and all that, and it's awesome. It looks like a stock car now. So a lot of stuff that's overlooked when doing swaps like this and conversions like this is just common little things like child locks and even, the power lift gate and stuff like that. Some cars have them, some cars don't, some cars are wired differently, but Randy has done an amazing job kind of just learning one harness and putting it and matching it up to another. So all in all, the only thing really missing on this car is in the back, and that's the exhaust, and that should be done in a couple of days here. So this car is coming together great, and I know the client's super happy. He's looking forward to drive it, put some miles on it. This is going to be his daily, and we can't wait to see what he's got planned for it in the future. So also what's behind me, or underneath me at least, is the entire mess of 2 harnesses and everything that you have to do to mesh together to get this car to run. And as you can see, it's a challenge, but you know, we're almost there, and you know, this car is gonna be a great vehicle to daily drive. Everyone, thanks so much for checking out today's episode. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell. We got a lot more content coming in a few months, and stay tuned for everything we have that's gonna be on the channel shortly, including that Cayenne. Hell yeah. We just finished the video.
What's up?
What's up?
What's up, man?
A cup of coffee?
Couple Red
This
Bull.
episode is officially sponsored by Red Bull. Red Bull, please sponsor us.
Officially?
That would be good.
Yeah.
It's a lot, bro. A lot of y'all have been commenting on some of the 5-cylinder content that we've had recently. If you want to see us do an in-depth on our buddy Louis' TTRS Stage 2 Daily, comment down below. We'll drop a new episode coming soon.
It's a beautiful car, definitely. Can't wait for Mickey to sell this to me. Come on, Mickey. It's time, brother. It's time.
Yo, what's up, guys? Introducing the newest Eurofed employee.
What's up? My name is Louis, aka the third owner. Cut!